Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tea-stained paper. To begin, you will need a few simple items. First, gather several strong black tea bags, some hot water, and the paper you wish to stain. Next, find a shallow tray or baking sheet, which will hold your tea solution. Finally, remember to protect your work surface with newspaper or a plastic sheet to prevent any unwanted stains. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful crafting experience. Now, let's prepare our staining solution. You'll want to brew a very strong batch of black tea. Use at least 4 to 6 tea bags for every 2 cups of hot water. Let the tea steep for a good 10 to 15 minutes to ensure a deep, rich color. Once brewed, it's crucial to let the tea cool completely to room temperature. This prevents the paper from warping or tearing when submerged. With your tea solution ready, it's time to stain the paper. Carefully submerge each sheet of paper fully into the cooled tea. Ensure the entire surface is covered. For a lighter, more subtle stain, soak the paper for about 5 minutes. If you prefer a darker, more aged look, let it soak for up to 10 minutes. Gently remove the paper, allowing any excess liquid to drip back into the tray. Finally, it's time to dry your beautifully stained paper. Carefully lay each sheet flat on a clean, dry surface, such as a baking rack or newspaper, to air dry completely. This process can take several hours, depending on humidity. For an extra aged, crinkled texture, you can gently crumple the paper before it fully dries, then flatten it out again. Once thoroughly dry, your unique tea-stained paper is ready for all your creative projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.